So I've had one of the most productive summers in my veggie garden this year. The garden produced so much for us and we were truly enjoying it. Now, if you watched some of my past videos, you may have seen that I started this veggie garden with only 4 Vego raised beds. And it was about a 20 by 12 feet footprint. Then the very next year, after really enjoying those raised beds, I expanded the garden to 30 by 12 feet and I added some more raised beds. So now I have 2 of the 6 by 2 feet beds in the 17-inch tall, as well as 4 of the 5 by 3.5 feet. And I'm planning on adding some more raised beds come this spring. That's how much I love them. So Vego reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out their Vego Garden Frost Greenhouse cover system. And I jumped on it because I typically only garden in the late spring and throughout summer. But now the nighttime temperatures are getting low and we are due for a frost real soon. And I would love to be able to extend my gardening season well into the end of December. So this greenhouse cover system is going to help me do that. So let's check out what is inside the box. So I'll be adding this greenhouse cover system to my 17-inch raised bed in the 5 by 3.5 foot configuration. Now this greenhouse cover system does come in several sizes to fit various Vego classic and novel bed configurations. So in this bed, I do currently have a cherry tomato plant and I want to keep this to see how long I can get it to survive and produce. And I also have some carrots, some cilantro, some broccoli rabe, and some lettuce that I plan on protecting. But the flowers are going to come out and then I'm going to add some more lettuce and arugula seeds. So in each of the longer posts, I'm going to be adding this piece that's going to attach to the raised bed. So first I'm removing the first nut, and that's where we're going to put our frame. Now the screw that was in here is too short, so you have to replace it with the screws that come in the kit. Okay. Nice and snug. Now I just need to do this 10 more times. First step is done, and these are feeling very secure. Now I'm going to add all these fittings. Next, I'm adding the smaller rods to create the perimeter. Wow, this feels incredibly sturdy. I am really loving this. This is a steel frame and it was very easy to put together. I just have to create the hoop now. This is amazing. I love. And this is just so sturdy. I am so excited about this. It is amazing and even more sturdy now that I've added this top bar. This is incredible. Now let's add the actual greenhouse cover. This was so easy for me to put together all by myself, and I absolutely love this. It is so sturdy, and this cover is so nice and thick. I think this is gonna really last a long time. So I'm loving this. Thank you so much, Vigo, for sending this. So now I'm going to fasten it on the inside, and I'll show you some other features. So the cover has zippers on both sides over here and then on the opposite side as well. But you do have to fasten it to the inside to give it a lot more security. So there's a Velcro strap there, and then there's a tie for the bottom. So each side of the greenhouse cover has zippers, and when you raise the cover, you can attach it to the Velcro on top to help keep it up so that you can get inside. And it is so roomy in here. It is amazing. So here it is with both sides of the greenhouse raised. There's also Velcro straps at the bottom, so you can even tighten it more if needed. So it's a really nice snug fit. There's also a ventilation window, and these are located on either side of the greenhouse, and it has this netting so that the bugs don't fly in here, but you can ventilate it if there's a really warm day and you just want to open it up a little and still protect it from any bugs, from any critters. And I think this will come in super handy also in the spring when I particularly have chipmunks that love to dig in the soil and disturb everything. So that will help protect it from those critters as well as any bugs and frost in the early spring and now in the winter time for me to continue to grow in my garden. So if you're interested in any of the Vego products, I have an affiliate link down below, which will provide you with a discount, and you can use it towards a greenhouse or a raised bed or whatever Vego products you might be interested in. So with this cover system, there is also one for netting for bugs, and that would come in great in the summertime. And I do want to get one of those, which would just use this exact same frame, just a different cover that is simply bug netting. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.